we've learned is Mexico does a pretty good job securing its northern border, as Marine Sergeant Tamarisi found out. Now, I'm glad, I'm happy that he's actually going to get a hearing today. I'm hoping he gets released immediately. If he is not released, what is the State Department, what is the Department of Justice going to do, what is President Obama going to do to secure Sergeant Tamarisi's release?
I know that the State Department has facilitated visits for him with his attorneys, with his family. We will continue to provide the full range of American citizen services that we would provide to any and every American detained in a similar situation.
Is the State Department, is President Obama as outraged as I think most Americans are by the Mexican government's mistreatment of Sergeant Tamarisi? I mean, I've seen the videos. I've seen how easy it was for him to, accidentally get into that lane. I mean, this is outrageous since he's been held for over 100 days. Are we going to show that type of, demonstrate that kind of outrage and demand his return if he's not returned today?
I know that my colleagues at the American Embassy in Mexico City, in Tijuana, and in Washington are working vigorously on this case to expedite as speedy a resolution to it as we can.
Well, I hope if he's not released, they act more vigorously. Let's put it that way. Well, I just want to go back to, as long as we're talking about the State Department here, the $300 million request for, I guess, improving conditions in those Central American countries. We're finding we're not particularly good at improving our own economy. Isn't that a pipe dream to spend $295 million trying to improve the conditions and expecting that is going to solve the problem as opposed to sending plane loads full of these kids back to their families?